are studying the bush and doing some experiment.
Shut up.
What he means is that we are learning nature study.
See your heads. Huh? You are studying the bush. If you like, study the bush. If you don't like it, don't. But what I want to tell the two of you is that you should remember that I am expecting a visitor today. Okay? Your father, Ekwedi Kembakwe, is expecting a visitor. Very important visitor. Okay? So, I want you to be yourselves and behave. Now, Ake, go and put bathing water for me.
We don't put down.
That's my boy. Please, I want both of you to stay outside there. In case she comes, you'll be playing with her and, she's your miss. Then you will tell her that your father is taking his bath, okay? Good boys. I'm coming.
Yes, Papa. Oh, goodbye.
Somebody with the